Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, another short story for you. If you are a beginner student, an elementary student, or a pre-intermediate level student, this video is for you to help you to practice your English. Okay, so there is a short story. I'm gonna read and tell you a short story. Let's go. Pay attention, listen, and try to understand, guys. In a small town, there is a big school. So there's a small town with a big school. The school is famous for its good teachers and happy students. So it's a nice school. Every day the students go to school to learn new things. One of the students is a young boy named Sam. Sam loves to learn. He always listens carefully in class and does his homework on time. He's a good student. So apparently Sam loves going to school, guys. One day, Sam's teacher gives the class a project, an assignment, a project. They have to make a model of the solar system. Sam is excited about the project because he loves space and he wants to do a good job. Sam goes home and starts to work on the project. He uses clay, so the material clay, to make the planets. He paints the planets in different colors and sticks them on a big piece of cardboard. He works hard, he spends hours on the project, and finally he finishes it. It's ready. The next day, Sam goes to school, takes his project with him. He's proud of his work. He can't wait to show it to his teacher. But when he gets to school, he sees that all the other students have also made beautiful projects. So he feels a little nervous. Oh my God, everybody made such a nice project. Sam's teacher looks at all the projects. She is impressed by the students' creativity and hard work. She praises each student for their effort. Oh, congratulations, good job, guys. When she sees Sam's project, she smiles, she's happy. So, good job, Sam. She tells Sam that he has done a great job. Sam feels happy, he's glad. He's glad that his teacher likes his project. He feels proud of his work. He knows that he has done his best. After school, Sam goes to the park. He sits on a bench. He looks at the sky. The project was about the solar system, so he's looking at the sky. He thinks about the planets and the vastness of space. He feels small, but also amazed. He knows that there's so much more to learn. Sam goes home, tells his family about his day. They listen to his story and they smile. They are proud of Sam. They know that he's a good student and a hard worker. Time passes, days turn into weeks, and weeks turn into months. Sam continues to go to school and learn new things. He works hard. He always does his best. He knows that learning is a journey, and he's excited to see where it will take him. Very good. He likes studying. And so life in the small town goes on. The school continues to be a place of learning. The students continue to learn and explore. And Sam, with his love for learning, continues to inspire others. So apparently he's inspiring other students, guys, as well. Interesting. One day, a new student joins the school. So there's a new student coming to the school. Her name is Lily. Lily is shy and doesn't know anyone in the school. She feels nervous on her first day, which is normal. Yeah, first day on a new school to be nervous. That's a normal thing. Sam sees Lily and decides to help her. Maybe he likes her, but he decides to help her. He introduces himself and shows her around the school. He helps Lily find her classes, introduces her to other students. Lily feels happy. She's grateful for Sam's help. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for your help. Days turn into weeks and Lily starts to feel comfortable in the school. She makes friends and enjoys her classes. Again, she's grateful to Sam for helping her. Sam and Lily become friends. They become good friends. They study together. They help each other with their homework. They learn a lot from each other. One day, the teacher gives the class a new project. They have to write a report on a topic of their choice. So they can choose the topic for the new project and they have to write a report. Sam and Lily decide to work together on the project. They spend days researching and writing the report. They work hard and put in a lot of effort. Finally, they finish the report and submit it to the teacher. The teacher is impressed by their work. She praises them for their hard work and effort. Sam and Lily feel proud of their work. They know that they have done their best. And so life in the small town goes on. The school continues to be a place of learning and growth. The students continue to learn and explore. And Sam and Lily, with their love for learning, continue to inspire others. There you go, guys. A short story where we are using a lot of the present simple. Okay. So this story was created using artificial intelligence, okay, called Copilot. It's the artificial intelligence for Microsoft. There is a link on the description of the video. You can play with it. You can create your own stories as well. So have a look. There is also a file on the description of the video, guys, where you can download and you can print the story so you can read it at home. If you don't want to print it, you can read it on your phone, on your tablet, on your laptop. Okay. There is also a list with the verbs, the adjectives and the nouns that we used in the story, so you can translate them to your language, so you can learn new verbs, new vocabulary. Okay, so please do it. You can watch the video, but also, guys, after you watch the video, check the story for new vocabulary, new expressions. Okay, and also on the description of the video there are links to other activities, okay, guys, to other websites, to other maybe sometimes YouTube channels. Sometimes I'm gonna leave links to other websites, but there's always extra activity on the description of the video. Okay, so click on the link and practice online on your computer, on your phone, on your tablet. Because remember, guys, if you want your English to go up, there is no magic. You have to practice, okay? Contact with the language is very important. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. Click on the like, please. It helps the channel. But anyway, I'm gonna continue to make more videos, guys, okay? So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming by. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, guys.